Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. You guys might recognize this company, Wild Badger Power. They sent me a 40 volt, 20 inch snowblower. This is really going to help here on the homestead. I've always had trouble with snowblowers here. Last year I fixed up a gas snowblower, got it ready before the snowstorm hit, pulled the starter handle and broke it off. So we went without last year. This is on or off. It's going to be quite simple. So this year we'll probably be a lot better off than we ever have been with this thing. Oh, there's a lot of parts here. Let me see. I'm going to put all the accessories aside first. We'll come back. Whoops, there's a cable. Yeah, and there's a handle. Instructions, we're going to definitely need to look at that. Oh, there's a box. What's this? Probably a charger, I'm going to guess. Yeah. Oh, nice blue. I love blue. That's actually my favorite color. The big charger. That is big. Wow. Lot of pieces in this box. Oh, what's this? There is the chute. I'm trying to get to the main unit here. There's more stuff. There's a lot of stuff. Gonna be. Oh, that's heavy. That's got to be the battery. Oh yeah. Wow. That's a big battery. I think I've got the main unit here. I can reach out. Oh yeah. Alright guys, well, I'm going to piece this together off camera. There's a lot of pieces there, and we'll be back. Well guys, it snowed. But not quite enough for a snowblower, but it is a perfect backdrop for talking about a snowblower though. Perfect weather, just not quite enough snow. Because it didn't snow enough to really show you the actual workings of this today, I'm going to tell you about it and show you how it works, and then later I'm going to do a full actual real world use video of this when we get a little bit more than what we got today. But this is absolutely going to serve us beautifully here on the homestead in the coming winter. Now, one thing, I might move the camera up here. Let me show you something that I like about this. Now here is the battery compartment, but I'll show you something I like, something really cool. There's a storage compartment. You could actually get a spare battery. Actually, it locks in place. It doesn't fall out. You can get a spare battery. So you have double the power, and when you're ready to run it, you pop it in the run side. So there's the working side and the storage side. Now, while I have the battery in my hand and I'm talking about batteries, I'd like to make note of one important thing with a lithium-ion battery. Keep it inside unless you're using it, especially in cold winter weather, because a warmer battery will perform better. And have maximum capacity, and absolutely take it inside to charge it in winter. You don't want to charge any lithium-ion batteries, most of them I should say. There might be some that are different, but you don't want to charge lithium-ion batteries when they're below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. So extend the battery life, keep it inside when not being used, keep it inside to charge it. I just did bring this out for this video, and I'm going to pop it in place. Very nice and convenient and easy. Waterproof storage box. And then I'll show you the functions of this. Now, there's two ways to rotate this. there's a nice little convenient handle here for when you're working on the fly to rotate where it blows to, or you can do it here as well. Okay, and you can adjust the angle and how far it blows, so that's really good. Just like an actual gas power blower. Now it's got quick wing nuts, big plastic wing nuts, so you can fold the handle. I put them on the inside, which is non-typical, but I did that because so that nothing hits them. If these are on the outside and you're bumbling around in the garage, you can hit them and whack them up and bend them or break them. I put mine on the inside. It doesn't affect the function at all, and now they're not able to be hit by anything. Now to fire this thing up, there's a power button here. It's almost a two-step type thing to get this to start. You press the button here and then pull the handle, and it's a quick release for safety purposes. Now it runs. And then, quick release for safety purposes, just let go. Press the button, squeeze the handle, and let it go. So that's a pretty cool thing for safety. You can't just, it does nothing if you just hold the handle. But that is an emergency off switch right there. You'll also notice before you start jamming this into snow, you might want to let it wind up a little bit. As you can hear, the motor speeds up after a few seconds. You'll notice the LED light on front, so help you in darker weather. Now the reason I'm pushing this out before we get a lot of snow is because there's a Black Friday sale going on right now to get a major savings on this thing. So I'm going to get this video out to you right away, and use that discount code, use the links down below in the comments and the description, and get yourself one of these. Now, why I am sure about the Wild Badger Powers tools is because I've used their tools before, and I very much love them. So I am absolutely certain that this is not going to fail me, and it will serve us very well this winter. Their tools are really well made. I also like the fact that the only metal on this is the handles. There's nothing here to rust. It's all plastic. Normally I'm a supporter of all metal products, but in the case of a snowblower that's always in contact with snow, wet, and it's going to be in really horrible conditions, plastic is the way to go in this case. And I can't tell you exactly how I know, but this is not fragile plastic in the cold. I can just tell by how it feels. It's not that stiff, hardened plastic in the cold. The door here is the only thing I'd be careful of. The hinges on the door, I would just not slap it around too much. When you're done using it, if it's nicer weather, put it in there, but take it inside for long term or for charging and before every use. Check it out, guys. Get yourself one. Watch for the longer video with a lot more of this white stuff. If we do get any this year, let's see. Please like this video. Get one. Talk to you later.